Welcome to my next video in the series documenting my journey through AI technologies to build a client self-booking system or patient appointment booking system using AI technologies. In this video, we're doing an end-to-end walkthrough from the patient's point of view, starting with the new patient and going all the way through to booking an appointment and looking at their account. All right, so we've had quite a few fixes and improvements to the system, so I just want to do an end-to-end walkthrough the public-facing side, just to make sure that everything's working. So we'll go to book an appointment. I'll start as a new patient, then we can go back in again as an existing patient. So I'll say right. Okay, register and continue. Oh, bugger. Okay. I forgot. Twilio is expecting a country code, and because I took the country code off the phone number entry field, it's not getting it. So now it doesn't know what country to send it to. So I have to modify the back end. Alrighty. Next step. So we need to get the AI to append the country code to the phone number when sending it to Twilio. Alrighty. Right, 5, 6, 7. Register and continue. Oh, bugger. All right. Pause. That's interesting. I received the verification code, but then it carked it. Okay. So the Twilio verification sending is working. Communicating with the server, please try again. All right, pause, have a look at the logs. I'll be back. Okay, I added some debugging messages in the back end and fixed a little something. So let's see, you've been sent for verification, so it might actually give us an error. Oh no. There we go. Okay, so I've received the verification 044009. Submit and continue. Fine. Oops. Bad request. Ah, bugger. All right. Hey, it worked. Okay, so we don't need that. Let's get rid of that. Okay, select a doctor. John Hartwell. Today is the 16th. Okay, let's say the 17th. Tomorrow, Saturday. This is actually not quite correct because his availability is not from 8 till 5:30 on Saturdays. Okay, so there's a little bit of logic we need to fix up there. He only works from 9 till 1 on Saturdays and has 11 to 11:30 off. So, okay, a little bit of logic we need to fix there, but um, let's say today at 4 p.m. Continue. Okay, no additional information. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4, 5, 6, 1, 26. Oops. 1, 2, 3. No. Now the credit card details are not currently being validated. That's something that will need to be implemented before going live. I use Stripe for all credit card things. Many years ago, I used to use PayPal integration for processing credit card payments, but it had no facility to programmatically alter the subscription amount based on a per seat monthly calculation. So I had to switch over to Stripe. With Stripe, it's very easy. You just tell it, this is how much it is for this month, and it's fine. It updates it. So confirm booking. Booking failed. Selected time slot is not available. It is available. I'll have to check that, find out why that happened. Oh, okay. It's right. He's not available because he finishes at 4. Okay, so it's actually correct. All right, so go back, make it 3. Again, that shouldn't have shown up if he's not available. So it's a little bit of logic we have to fix there. 3, come on. 3 is available. All right, on the 16th of the 5th, practitioner number 2, from 9 till 4. So 3 is available. If we look at appointments for the 16th, there are no appointments for the 16th. So that's wrong. Right? It's just wrong. Booking failed. I need to fix that. Let's make it for tomorrow then. See, actually, let's make it Monday for 10 a.m. Oh, come on. Let's start again. Because it may have set an internal flag in the JavaScript to say it's not available. So, oh no, hang on, I'm an existing patient now because I've been registered. What was it? Let me go to this. Sets. 448 231. Okay, Dr. Hartwell for 19th, 10 a.m. Let's say 10:30 a.m. Okay. No additional information. 90136 01/26 123 Fred Nook. Okay, confirm booking. Invalid to phone number. That's weird. Don't know what happened there. That's very strange. All right, I'm gonna have to check the code, find out where those X's have come from and why they are being sent. Create record. There, that's an invalid number because it's supposed to be an integer. All right. Or okay, fixed a couple of little bugs. Let's see if it's working now. Yes, ha. And I should get a text message. Yes, I did. So I got a text message saying your appointment with John Hartwell has been scheduled for Tuesday, May 20 at 11 a.m. Okay, excellent, which is what it says there. Beautiful. The email did arrive. It just took a minute, that's all. But so now what we need is the ability for users, patients, clients to log in and view their appointment calendar, cancel appointments, add notes, upload documents, change the appointment time, change the doctor. So that'll be the next thing. That'll keep the AI busy for a little bit. All right, I'll start on that and we'll have a look in the next video.